Yo guys, new camera angle for you, me riding my bike, selfie style. So I've got out almost, I did pretty well for time. I sort of lazed around a little bit when I woke up, but we're gonna be doing a lot of riding down like river or runoff. I don't know, I think we're going down like I think going down Los Angeles River and some Grand River or something. Should be cool. Should see those iconic like concrete river valley things. So yeah, I'm gonna put the GoPro in the chest mount because riding with one hand is slow as hell and dangerous in the wet because it's wet. We're in Los Angeles, but it's wet. I've seen the sun. It's over there somewhere. Coming over some mountains. Maybe get a glimpse. There we go. They started. Sun coming up over LA. The mountain ranges. And I'm about to hit the LA River bike path. And the river is flowing. I guess because of all the rain. We do have to turn off this unfortunately at some point and then do a load of freaking turn-ins to get to another river bike path. But this is us for now. Hopefully I don't miss the other turn-in, lol. Bike path closed. Just saw a sign saying bike path closed. Do you know if it's actually closed or not?
It's closed about at 7 o'clock. They close it like about 2 miles down there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shit. Alright, we'll see what happens. Cheers then. Sunshine! The bike path continues, but my maps aren't loading and I'm pretty sure it said bike path was closed and I'm not sure where this route even goes, if it continues on the river or not. So I'm just going to do what Google Maps said, which isn't loading up right now, but I took screen prints because I'm not an idiot. Oh god. So we're just following the Google Maps route verbatim. Yeah. I guess it's downhill to the coast. We following the river down. But we're almost to the river. A few more turns, a few more checking maps, and then once on the river, it's gonna be like a little portal to the coast. God, guns and guts made America free. Gruffer just messaged me, he's on his way, he's heading north. So he's gonna like intercept me and then he's gonna turn around and ride with me. So, should be an exciting day. Pretty much finishing off. I don't think I'm gonna go all the way to the border tonight. I'll do that tomorrow morning and finish my trip. Yeah, today's pretty much the last day. I started my trip with a really big 145 miles and I'm ending with another massive ride. Okay, now we're just looking out for the entrance to the river. Okay, I can see the bike path. How do we get onto it? Hope we survive this journey. Right, now we can go quick because we know it's just this and then one road down to San Diego. Oh, you can actually now this is LA right here. We could be real cheeky and ride down the river, but I don't know. LA, man. Another river joined the one I was on. So now we're on a bigger one. I think this is the Grand Gabriel. I don't know what it's called. But I just passed a sign saying it's 12 miles to the Pacific Ocean, which is like 20k. So I've got 12 miles of this. I've already been riding down it for like at least like 5 miles. So yeah, it's a pretty good way to get in and out of the city. We need to get some calories in. I had a few like mint chocolate biscuits, but it's the watermelon, Arizona obviously. And let's get riding again. Not used to the rain here, huh? That car, man. See a car stuck in the water. That's so funny. Too bad, huh? You alright, dude? You okay? Cool. Thought that bro might need some tools, but it looks like he's doing. He says he's okay. So we're on Route 1, Pacific Coast Highway. We're about to join it up, and we're back on the coast. Well, we're inland for a little bit, and then to go to the coast. We're in Long Beach now. Hey man, we're in Long Beach, and yeah, back on the coast. Only another like 110 miles to go today. Route 1, baby! We're on Route 1! Pacific Coast, we're on the bike route. Nice close pass there. Oh, Orange County. We're in Orange County now. So we're out of Los Angeles County, I guess. Scratch my bike up. But we're back on the coast, baby. We're cooking with gas. And the sun might be coming out. Might take my jacket off, I don't know. And I think we've got a tailwind as well. Perfecto! Family size pack of chocolate chip cookies for half a kilo of them. What was I thinking? I've got 2 of those, so that's a kilogram. And I've got like probably like 2 kilograms of fig rolls, half gallon of lemon juice. I've got like my backpack's weighing at least 10 kilos. Loads of clothes and a lock and tools. I've got to eat my way through. I think it's time for the secret weapon, guys. Here we fucking go. Power up time. Alright, no time to waste today. Let's get frickin' rolling. Curve was fucking big. I'm looking forward to going back home to London though. It's freezing back there.
My daughter's boyfriend's from just outside of London, and his family just came.
Yeah.
And they're so happy to be here.
I bet. Hey man. It'd be so nice to live up in one of those houses up there, eh? What's up?
How's it going?
It's Taylor, yeah?
Yeah.
Woo!
Nice to meet you.
It's been a good ride so far.
Yeah.
Tailwind,
That's always
flat. Nice easy. Well, getting out of LA was a bit of a nightmare.
Yeah, I bet.
I had to keep checking the map. Oh.
Yeah.
So I'm used to the San Francisco ones now.
Yeah,
like,
I bet.
where you're actually like, oh.
Like I'm gonna fall backwards.
Whee! Oh, and like any pothole could just chuck you off. What? Yeah, what's up, man?
Good, thanks.
How's the ride been?
Yeah,
my drivetrain's a bit squeaky now that I got caught in the shower, but
Oh, because you had headwinds as well, right?
yeah.
Okay, so that's good news.
I was like, I was loving the headwind because I'm like, this is gonna be so good. Oh my god, so good, so good. Hi,
Sick.
I'm Griff.
Taylor.
Nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you.
Yeah, let's ride anyway.
Yeah, we got a long ways to go, man. I'm 135k in.
Yeah, I'm
What are you?
71.
Nice.
I think it's like 140 k's from here.
Yeah.
So.
One oh, shit. And you haven't got a front light.
No. I might stop in a bike shop. There's one in Encinitas.
Yeah. I need to pump my tires up as well.
Yeah, I don't suppose you got lube on you.
No.
No.
Man, there was one point where I was using water for lube.
Yeah.
Like my chain was so squeaky, I was just pouring water on it, just like in the middle.
It lasts for like 5 minutes and then you're like, oh,
I used olive oil once as well.
yeah. Just gotta use anything, right? Get that squeak away.
Got the crew, got the lemon juice, got the seaside. That's what's up. That's what's up. Oh. That crazy Brit blowing through the stop signs. Someone stop that Brit.
California roll.
I thought it's called the Idaho stop. We have entered the military base. So we went for a military base, had to take the GoPro off. Now we're back to civilization, and my legs are starting to feel it. I think I've probably done about 120 miles at this point, 200k. So yeah. I don't know exactly what Carl did, but he's bad. It's a cool house. So we just stopped off. I've done 196 freaking K right now. Oh god, and we've still got how many Ks?
70.
70 Ks left.
Not too bad.
No, it's not too bad. It's just a little, yeah, it's just a little
Nice little.
Monday ride.
3 hours.
Nice fat bike. Or fattish
One time I
bike.
was riding down here and I saw like a peloton of those people on those like elliptical bikes.
What? I just bought a 2-litre bottle of Coke. I got my got it loaded up. Also downed a bunch of it, so hopefully that's the kick I needed. Let's roll. It's gonna get dark in about an hour. Yeah. Yeah, well, we still got
you.
way more fun to go.
Yeah.
Cool, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Easy.
Just easy, man, just easy.
Good luck, guys.
See you, Taylor, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
And then there were two boys. One without a front light and one with a fucking huge backpack. Gruff's on 153k, I'm on like 230k. And we still got 50k to go, maybe. Google Maps taking us on a fucking wild goose chase. On the bike path. Gruff is still without lights. He's using his phone torch. I think it's like San Diego. We're like on a bike path down one of the rivers. Yet again, I'm arriving in the dark. It seems to be a theme for the entire trip, but at least I got company this time, so it feels a little less daunting.
It says turn left on California Street. Where the fuck is that?
Pacific Highway.
We missed it in between there? What?
Some railway tracks. Now Google Maps is giving us a run around again. Downtown San Diego, pretty much. Back tire slowly deflating, just like my hopes and dreams. Downtown San Diego, eating chocolate chip cookies and pumping up my pinch flat or whatever the fuck it is, slow puncture. So this apparently is a mile of cars, which I guess just a mile of car dealerships by the looks of it. We're heading south out of San Diego now. 10 miles, 15k to go. Whew. This back tire is getting flat again. I'm just bouncing around all over the place and I'm feeling all these bumps. Those lights up ahead, Mexico! That's so surreal. Come from Canada and now I'm looking at Mexico. And I've done it, apart from that one time from Seattle to Portland, it's all been on my bike. Grufford, just up ahead, he just hit 200k, so he's got a 200k ride in the bag. And we're really close to Mexico and we're gonna eat tacos. Mexico in the distance.
5 kilometers down that way.
So cool, all those lights are Mexico. So we're into the final few meters of this ride. And then it's feast time. I can't freaking wait. How you feeling, Gruff?
Fucking epic.
Feeling fucking epic, yeah?
Yeah.
Look at that bumper sticker, hold on.
From Hollywood Hills to the Mexico border. Done.
Done, bash, bosh. In 13 hours, 13 hours elapsed.
Hello, amigos.
Crazy, you are crazy.
Oh, I was saying from Hollywood Hills. Like nothing really.
I'm so hyped. I have like so much adrenaline.
Mexican curries, homemade. Amazing, squeezing some lime in there as recommended.
It's called birria. Try pronouncing that.
What's that?
Birria.
Birria.
Vidia.
There you go.
Vidia. I'm smashed. That was really delicious. And now been gifted 2 tacos and some salad with some beans and protein in it. How you feeling, Gruff?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Much better now.
Feeling good now you got Strava uploaded.
Yeah.
That's what, otherwise you haven't done the ride, you know? Also had some homemade donuts and some homemade cake, and it was all very, very delicious. And I've basically just been like passing out on the sofa, so probably gonna be going to bed real soon.
I'm off to Hawaii tomorrow, so I've had to pack my bike.
Oh, very
Very
professional job you got.
It's pretty secure. Just what you want to secure, like everything you do in life.
Just a piece of
flimsy cardboard that's been ripped apart. So should be alright.
Oh, yeah.